Hello and welcome to another update video about Cronos, Crypto.com coin, whatever. Is in our target area here already. A few days ago I mentioned to you that we've reached the target area. I think first time we talked about this target area was when we were on the way up here, somewhere around 7.2 cents or so. So we've come into this in a possible B wave, which ideally should be over now, because we have basically reacted to the 78.6 retracement, briefly left our target area to the upside, and we are now on our way down. Quite an impulsive sell-off yesterday here. Unfortunately, not enough structure to really confirm that we are on our way here in this 5-wave move down, in this C wave of the wave 2. Yeah, there's not enough structure yet. At the moment, I would assume carefully that this wave 1 top is in, because we can count nicely 5 waves to the upside and then a nice A wave down. In a wave 2, when you get an A wave, it often comes down crashing basically, which it did in this case. When we saw that, we said, okay, it's now reasonably likely to get all the way up here to the B wave target. Ideally, you would expect a reaction in this area and to come down. Now we saw a reaction, but we haven't really left the area yet. We've left it a few times, but we are now back in it again. So it's not entirely clear yet. So the primary expectation remains that we are heading down into this area now. What is the target area for that wave 2 support? This would, by the way, an interesting long trade opportunity. So we're talking there about the area between the 78.6 fib and the 50% fib between 6.14 cents and 7 cents basically. Yeah. At any of these fib levels, you can expect a reversal. And I'm curious about if we get there. Now, I have to tell you that the situation is a little bit clearer on other charts. I mean, this is the Crypto.com tether chart, because the way up here is, in my opinion, on this chart, quite straightforward to count. However, if I'm looking, for example, at the Coinbase chart, also tether, we have a different situation. In this scenario, or on this chart, if I draw the fibs, we actually never left the 78.6% resistance to the upside. So here's, it's interesting, and here it's sometimes worth also to check several charts. I intentionally didn't use Coinbase because of these weird wicks here that we have to the upside here as well and here as well. The same is the case if I'm looking for CRO USD, which is also a bit of a mess. Same strange wicks on the Coinbase chart. That's exactly the reason why I didn't choose Coinbase for the analysis. But also here we did react. If you draw the target area here, we've now left it again to the downside, reacted here to the target area nicely a few times, and we're on our way down. It looks nearly like as if on this chart the fibs react, or the price reacts best to the fibs, because here it was hovering below the 50% fib a long time, moved up, reacted basically here to the 61.8, here again 61.8. It's now leaving it to the downside. Unfortunately, there isn't really a right or wrong. I need to observe that how the Kucoin chart is doing here. I guess Kucoin doesn't have the highest volume, but it was the best chart to count here on the upside, because I don't trust these weird wicks that I didn't see on any other chart, but I might have to go to another chart in the future. But that's sort of the view. And I think, if we take out this B wave high, which is here 8.29 cents on Kucoin, and on the Coinbase chart, we are talking here about 8.51. If we take that out, then I think we have to consider that the top wasn't in yet. So, I mean, if it now, this top, it should now be the wave B. So going even higher and then still expect it to be a B wave is a bit unrealistic then. So I would rather say if we now break above that 78.6 retracement on a sustainable basis, if it sustains there, then we actually have a situation that this wave 1 was never finished, and all of this is some kind of a wave 4 correction still. Basically that this wave 4 was never finished there, but that it's something, maybe even a triangle of some sort. So I'm going to observe that, but that here is now the this is now my roadmap for now. Okay, and that's my update about Cronos. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.